Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Airtable bases for sales pipeline dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with enabling Airtable bases for your sales pipeline dashboards, first, log into your Airtable account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to create your sales pipeline. Click on the option to create a new base. You can choose to start from scratch or use one of Airtable's templates. If you opt for a template, search for sales pipeline options in the template gallery. Once you've selected a template or created a base, name it appropriately for easy identification. Now, focus on custom fields that will be valuable for your sales pipeline. Add a new table by clicking the plus icon next to your existing tables. Label this new table as Sales Opportunities or a title that suits your needs. In the table, create essential fields such as opportunity name, stage, value, close date, and owner. Make sure to select the appropriate field types for each column. For example, set stage as a single select field to represent different stages in your sales process. Next, input any initial data that you already have on active deals. You can enter this information manually or import it from a CSV file if preferred. Now that your data is populated, it's time to set up views that will help visualize your pipeline. Select the grid view to see all your data in a tabular format. Create additional views like Kanban to visualize opportunities by stage. To do this, click on the View dropdown and select Kanban. Choose the stage field to represent the columns in your Kanban view. Consider adding filtered views to focus on specific criteria like deals expected to close this month. Next, you should set up any automation you need within your base. Click on the Automations option found in the top menu. Choose a trigger such as when a record enters a view to automate notifications. Select the action, which might be to send an email to the sales team when a new deal enters the pipeline. Now, let's create a dashboard to visualize key metrics and performance. To do this, return to your base and click on Apps on the right sidebar. Select Add an app and search for Charts or Page Designer. Choose the app that fits your visualization goals and add it to your dashboard. Configure the app by selecting data from your tables. Create charts that represent important metrics like closed deals or total sales value. Finally, save your dashboard setup to monitor your sales pipeline effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.